Now, with the inverter itself, how big is it? Like what, in terms of the physical size of the thing?
Yeah, so for a string design inverter, the big one, it's about the size of a big backpack,
Hmm.
but it's a lot heavier. I mean, it's sort of 18 kilos or so. So it's quite an industrial piece of equipment. But yeah, kind of can't really show you on the screen, but sort of roughly the size of a big backpack. Some of them are kind of deeper, some of them are wider, but that's a good estimate.
And where did you say that needs to be located?
It's usually near the switchboard. If it can't be near the switchboard, then sort of as close as possible just means you're maximizing the efficiency because obviously the longer the power has to travel through wires, there's always going to be a drop off. But in most homes, it's placed by the switchboard on an external wall. So if your switchboard is inside, then it might be on the nearest external wall, and it needs to be somewhere you can see it. So sometimes people ask if they can, stick it up in the roof, but you want to be able to look at it. You want to be able to keep an eye on it.
Is that just to make sure that it's not getting any dust on it or anything like that? Or
Yeah, it's so that you can keep an eye on it, but it's also so that if there was an issue, then someone externally could come and find it.
and does it, if it's being placed externally, is it waterproof or does it need to be built into some housing of some sort?
It is waterproof, but you wouldn't sort of leave it exposed to the elements. It's usually kind of under an awning or on a veranda or kind of in a doorway.
Gotcha. Okay.